In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit a PDF file in Google Drive. This is a super handy skill, especially if you frequently work with PDFs and need a simple way to edit them without any additional software. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. You'll need to be signed into your Google account to access Drive. Once you're in, you'll see your Google Drive interface, which is your hub for storing and organizing files online. Now, to upload your PDF, look for the icon labeled New on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select File Upload. Doing so will open a window where you can browse the files on your computer. Here, locate the PDF file that you wish to upload. Once you've found it, click on the file and then click Open. This will begin the upload process. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner of your screen as your PDF uploads to Google Drive. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this might take a little time. Once your file is uploaded, it's always a good idea to refresh your browser. It helps to ensure that you see the most up-to-date version of your drive, complete with your newly uploaded PDF file. So simply press the refresh button on your browser, and you should see your PDF in your Google Drive now. At this point, I have my PDF file here already, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now find your PDF in Google Drive and right-click on it. A context menu will appear, hover over Open With, and when another menu appears, select Google Docs. This action initiates the conversion of your PDF file into a Google Docs document. It might take a moment as Google processes the content, especially if your PDF is quite large or complex. Once this process is complete, you'll see your document in Google Docs, and you can start editing right away. Thanks to Google Docs' robust editing tools, you can easily make changes to text, add or remove images, and more, all from within your browser. One of the great things about using Google Docs is that it automatically saves any changes almost instantaneously as you make them. This version of your file is now stored in Google Drive as a Google Docs file, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. Everything is safe and secure in the cloud. And there you have it. You now know how to upload and edit PDF files using Google Drive and Google Docs. This method is not only straightforward, but also keeps everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips in the future.